Hi guys, myself Jaran Shivak. URK my register number is URK23AI1070. In today's session, we are exploring one of the most classic example in distributed computing, the word count programming using the PySpark. So this is a very simple program that shows how massive text files can be processed efficiently across the multiple systems. So let's go into this. First of all, we are starting the Spark session. So first we start create first we should create the Spark special session, right? So Spark is equal to Spark session dot builder of app name of word count dot get or create of. So after that we are going to like we are creating that Spark and we have named it as SC. So here we also access the Spark content as performs low level operation like reading the test file and performing transformation on RDS and the what is that resilient distributed data, that RDD refers to the resilient distributed data that the Spark is built on. So after this, what we are going to is we are going to read a text file. So now we have imported a text file. So now we load our input data that name it as we have named it as sample.txt. So we are going to read that. So this loads all the lines from the file into the RDD each line and becomes an one element in the data set. So yeah, it's the first step of the big data pipeline. Since next what we are going to do is we are going to splitting the lines into the words. So now we need to break the each line into an individual words. So we can do that using the flat mapper function. So by which we can see here by using the flat mapper function in this we have see, right. So by the flat map of transformation, we split the each line into a list of words and then the flattens then give to a single collection. So this means if a file has the 10 lines means each contain multiple words, right. So Spark now has a massive distributed list of all words by reading and the counting by them. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to map them with the key and value pair. So we map each word into a key value pair where the key is the word itself and the value is 1. So this prepare the data for aggregation. As we have seen here, it will become the key value pair. So um, here we also convert all the words to a lower case to make the counting case insensitive. Because like so, if we hello and if we like capital word hello and the small letter hello, it both they treat as the same words. So it is more useful in this. After this, what we are going to do this, we are going to we are going to reducing by the key. Now comes the real power of this part. The reduce by key the transformation, because it takes all the pairs with the same key, meaning like the same word as I said earlier, and adds up their count. So, like yeah, it has it like capital A, small a. So, it ca calculate all the words. So now, finally, we are going to display and we display the words on the count. So we collect the results and print them on the screen. So as we see from word count in dot collect of, we can see here hello three, world two, like it. So this process mainly does that, and at last we are going to stop this spark. So by this we see here hello three times it has been printed, world two times, big three times, four one time, spark two times, data three times, processing one time, miss one time, great one time. So as like this it was showing. So by this way we can able to count the word by using the price spark. Thank you guys.